If you love authentic Udupi style curries, then I would definitely recommend you trying this Udupi style pumpkin curry, for which in a pot of water you need to add in chopped and clean pumpkin. Next we'll be adding in some tamarind water, salt and jaggery. This gives that nice sweet tangy spicy kind of flavor, and a pumpkin needs to absorb all of this goodness of flavors. Now while a pumpkin is cooking, let's make a tasty masala paste, for which we need our spices ready. In a pan I've added in oil. I've added in coconut oil. You can add in any oil of your choice. Then I've added in cumin seeds, coriander seeds, urad dal, badge chili and methi seeds. Now all of these spices needs to be roasted on a very low flame till it's nice and aromatic and beautifully roasted. If you put it on high flame, then the masalas will tend to burn. Now either you can put these masalas one by one and then roast it, or else you can add all of them together and roast it till it gets the nice brown roasted color. And immediately you shouldn't make the masala. Let it cool down for some time and then you can grind it. Now our masalas are beautifully roasted and it's been cooled. Now in a blender I've added in grated coconut. I've added in the masalas which we have roasted. I'll add in a little bit of water and blend it into a smooth masala paste. Here in a pot I'm adding in cooked tur dal. I've just added tur dal in a cooker and then cooked it. Now our pumpkin is ready. Add in the pumpkin along with the stock. Give it a good mix, and then now add in the masala paste which we made. Once you do that, add in a little bit of water. Adjust the consistency. Now because of there is dal, there is coconut, the curry tends to thicken later. So give all of these ingredients a really very good mix. The pumpkin along with the masala needs to boil really very well so that it gets the beautiful flavor of all these spices. Now I've added in salt to taste. Here you can adjust the salt and sweetness as per your taste and consistency as well. While our pumpkin curry is cooking, here I've added in oil for tadka, mustard seeds, hing. When it starts spluttering, I'll add in curry leaves. Once the curry leaves are nice and crispy, directly add it to our boiling pumpkin curry. And that's it. Your super tasty Udupi style pumpkin curry is ready. Serve it hot with boiled rice, steamed rice, perfect for your lunch, dinner, a wholesome kind of recipe. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. The curry needs to boil really very well. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.